Wednesday, and that means it's Cocktail Wednesday. I think this is becoming my absolute favourite day of the week. I love Cocktail Wednesdays. So my recipe today, I'm going to be making a rum punch. I love a rum punch. So we're still like carrying on with the Caribbean theme, I think. So we need our shot glasses, and of course we are definitely not going to go for measurements again, but this is just a little bit of a guide. So I'm going to get a glass and fill it with ice. I'm going to take a shot glass and do a very generous shot of dark rum. Pop that in, and then I'm going to take another shot of my coconut rum. You can use any coconut rum, it's absolutely fine. Woo, take a shot of that. I love it, I always get so excited. Okay, so now I am going to add my pineapple juice. So with this, I'm not going to fill it all the way. I'm going to fill this about 3/4 of the way. And then I'm going to add some of my ginger beer. So I'm just going to top it up with this. Okay, and then I learned a trick from somebody of how we're going to use this Grenadine and how to have the perfect Grenadine so it sits really well within your cocktail. So to do this, you put it in the fridge apparently. So hopefully this is going to work, and we get 2 straws and we're going to pour it down the straw. Okay. So pouring it down the straws. This is more difficult than what I thought. Okay. And it should, it did, and it sits. Right, okay, so now we're gonna stir it just a little. There we go, I'm gonna make it all fancy, so we need a little bit of garnish again if it'll fit on, and of course an umbrella. And there you go, that is my rum punch recipe, and I'm sure you can make it too. It's pretty easy, but we need to try it. We need to do the test. Is it right? Oh, that's so good. That is amazing. So there you have it. Cocktail Wednesday, rum punch. You can find more recipes on natalieeaglen.com. Cheers!